Hey there, music lovers. Have you just received a Spotify gift card and you're itching to turn it into endless playlists and podcasts? You're in the right spot. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to redeem your gift card and get streaming in no time. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned Spotify pro, this process is straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, make sure you have your Spotify gift card handy. You'll need the unique code on the back. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers. Got it? Great. Now, open up the Spotify app on your phone or head over to the Spotify website on your computer. If you're on mobile, just tap the app icon. On desktop, fire up your browser and go to Spotify.com. Next, log in to your Spotify account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. In the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account. On the website, click on your profile name and choose Account Overview. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you find the Redeem a Gift Card or Promo Code option. It might be under a section called Subscription or Payment. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your gift card code. Carefully type it in. Double check for any typos to avoid errors. After you've entered the code, hit the Redeem button. Spotify will process it quickly, and voila! Your account balance should update, giving you premium access or adding credit to your subscription. If you're upgrading from free to premium, you might need to confirm a few details, but it's all smooth sailing. One quick tip. If the code doesn't work, ensure it's not expired and that you're entering it correctly. You can always contact Spotify support if you run into any issues. They're super helpful. And there you have it, folks. You've just redeemed your Spotify gift card and are ready to dive into your favorite tracks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy listening.